Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to fix NotebookLM source limit errors. Alright, so just open up your project, of course, as always. The standard free tier caps individual projects at exactly 50 total uploaded files. If you try to add a 51st document, the interface throws a red upload error block. So to clear this natively, you have two quick options. First, audit your existing catalog. Hover over old or redundant source rows in the left column, click the three dots and select delete to immediately free up a allocation slot. So if you want to know how to upload, it's in here on the left, add sources, and in here this is where your 50 limit resides. If you cannot afford to lose any data, you need to expand your structural account limits. You can move to your main account dashboard and upgrade your subscription. So for example, upgrading your profile subscription to Plus, Pro, or Ultra scales your workspace boundaries to 100, 300 or up to 600 active source files per notebook, respectively. If you want to stay on the free tier, but also still use 50 papers, you can use a document consolidation workaround. So NotebookLM's restrictions are based purely on the number of files, not the volume of text, allowing up to a massive 500,000 words per single source entry. So you can just gather your loose documents and combine them into batches of 5 or 10 related papers, stitching them together into a single unified macro PDF. Once compiled, go back to that left panel, click plus, add sources, and upload that combined file. This is how you bypass that restriction. And your research environment is now fully unlocked, optimized, and ready to handle massive data arrays. That's it for this one guys. As always, enjoy and subscribe to the channel.